This is our city map for our August prayer experience that we're doing here at the church, and what we're going to have people do is go around and find where they live in the city and pray for it and think about their route to and from church, what they drive by, who they drive by, what they can be praying for, and then we're going to put this in our prayer center over on Broadway eventually. So I just want to show you what it looks like because it's really cool. He must be getting a big raise. That's where I went. Liberty. Oh, this is for my mother. Bates Road. Perfect.
Let me sit in a chair.
So here's Highland Park. Here's 5th Street where we used to live. Here's Grant School in North. I like that side.